When you're working a textured pattern like rib or moss stitch, the instructions may ask you to cast off or bind off in pattern. This simply means that as you work, you maintain the sequence of knit and purl stitches. So beginning here with a knit stitch, I knit one, bring the yarn forward and purl the next one, because this is what you would do if you were continuing to work in moss stitch. With 2 stitches on my needle, I'm going to use the left hand needle to scoop the first stitch up and over the second stitch. Now bring my yarn to the back. I'm going to knit the next stitch. With again 2 stitches on my needle, the bottom stitch comes up over the top stitch and off. Yarn forward to keep in pattern and purl. Bottom stitch up and off. Yarn back and knit. Lift the bottom stitch up over the top stitch and off. Yarn forward to purl and take that stitch off. And continue all the way to the end of the row. And this is how you would cast off or bind off in pattern when working in rib. Beginning by working 2 stitches, pass the bottom stitch up over the top stitch and off. Yarn back and knit. So we've got 2 stitches on the needles again. Bottom stitch comes up and over the top stitch and off, and now it's a purl stitch. Back for a knit stitch. Forward to purl. Continue working in pattern, following the same sequence of knit and purl stitches as you did for the rest of your knitting. Casting off as you go until you get to the last stitch. Cut the yarn and pass the end through that last stitch and pull it tight.